Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a trade I took from February 14th on Euro USD. Yeah, we're starting off on the Twitter as usual. So for this trade, right, we had a market structure that was pretty clean. I had no issues with the market structure on that day. I can't say that for every day, but that day we had pretty clean structure. And DXY opened up very aggressively and it took out the lows. After that, it left an FVG, which I was waiting for. EU also did the same thing on its end, and I was waiting for price to pull back into that fair value gap, redistribute the price, and then take buys, right? Take buys on EU and target some no, take sells on EU. I am mistaken. Take sells on EU and then continue to flow with the trend. And yeah, thesis was pretty similar. I was waiting for some liquidity to get taken out and then see where price was aggressively moving and then flow with it. So let us jump on the charts. I already have it pulled up on the replay mode. So we are just gonna play through it, and then I'm gonna flip through the Twitter and the trading view to plot out this trade. So let's get into it. Okay, so price is moving and still grinding up, and here we had this break of structure. So we had the liquidity grab up here, and then we had price turn around and start to break some structure. And once it did that, we had this fair value gap up here left behind. And we have our fibs coming down here. And I was looking to enter somewhere around 61.8 OTE level. And I'll fast forward the XY as well. Just pulling up, we had that breaking structure here right around that time. And then price aggressively came up. It tagged us in right here, right? A nice entry. And it rejected off of this price level, which is a good sign as well. We started moving down, right? And we came down here and we took out some liquidity, right? So after this happened, I was a bit nervous on the trade because it's never really a good sign when prices coming out taking some liquidity and then reversing very aggressively. But it technically hasn't broken structure, so I stuck to my trading plan and continue to hold the trade. Now price eventually shoots up and it takes us out. And on EXY, it's pretty much the inverse. So after it had this break of structure, came back down here, right? Tapped into that OTE level, made a little push up, and then came down and eventually swept the lows again. So you'll see that right here. Boom. And that was the part of the trade that took us out. So yeah, with this one, the setup was there, was what I was looking for on that particular day. And it didn't fall through. But on a positive note, I was able to stick to my trading plan and manage the trade well. And it is what it is. We go on to the next day and we keep trading our edge and we keep playing the game. So hope you guys got some value out of that and see you on the next one. Peace.